Namaste students. Today we are discussing about integers. Okay class. So before we starting integers, let's start with natural numbers. So class, what are natural numbers? The numbers which is starting with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These numbers are counting number which are called natural numbers. Up to so on. Okay class? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite means we don't know where we go, but these are the natural numbers. Natural numbers are starting with 1. Okay class, this is the counting number. Class, here if you watch clearly, it is here not 0. 0 is not here. If we add 0 in this group, then we get new system of numbers which are called whole number. What are whole numbers? If we add 0 in this group, then we get whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. We don't know where, its end point is not fixed. Then these are the whole numbers. So what is the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers? Natural numbers starting with 1, whereas whole number is starting with 0. Okay class? But class, if you watch these two systems, then you found there is no negative numbers. So class, if we introduce negative numbers in the whole number, then we get new system which is called integers. So what are the integers? Look here, if we add Look here, if we add negative numbers in the whole number, then we get integers like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Now class, we are adding negative numbers. It is -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. This system is called integers. These are integers. So what are integers? Integers are mixing of whole numbers and negative numbers. So this are the integer class. Now class, one more thing here, 0. 0 is neither in positive nor in negative. Okay class, 0 is integer, 0 is an integer, but also 0 is neither positive and nor negative. Okay class. And one more thing, 1 just beside the 0 and -1 starting just from 0. Okay class, right side is the place of positive number and left side we are putting negative numbers. Okay class, so these are your integers. Class, one more thing, the fraction number like this is fraction, this is irrational number, and 1.6 etc. are not integers. These are not integers. Integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, so on. These are not integers. Okay class, so you understand what are the integers. Now class, how you plot the integers on number line? Take one example. So class, how to represent the integer, given integer on a number line? Class, here this is number line. Okay class. Now if you put all the entries here, first you put 0, because 0 is integer. Okay class. Now class, 0 divides this number line into two parts. First left side and second right side. Okay class. The right side number line is for positive integers, whereas the left side of number line is for negative integers. Okay class. So now put right side positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Negative integers in the left side. -1 starting first here. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 so on. Class, if you want to represent -4 on the number line, so please where is -4? Here is -4, so it is your -4. This is -4. Now class, if you want to plot on number line +4, it is +4. So where is +4? It is +4. Mark here. It is +4. Class, if you want to plot 2 is an integer. So where is 2? 2 is here. Then 2 is integer. And if you want to plot -2 on the number line, so where is -2? Here is -2. Then it is -2. Class, so how you represent on in number line? Then you easily plot the all integers on the number line. For rook, 0 is neither positive nor negative, whereas the positive integers are on right side and negative integers of the left side. And by which method you plot any integer on number line. Class, now question is how you subtract, add, multiply and divide two integers. So class, let's start how you add and subtract two integers. How you add and subtract two integers. Class, start. So before starting adding or subtracting of two integers, let's recall 4 basic things about addition or subtraction of integers. Class, rule is that plus, if two integers are positive, then resultant is plus. One integer is positive, second integer is positive, then resultant is plus. One integer is positive, second is negative, you have to subtract. If first integer is negative, second integer is positive, resultant is minus, and if both integers are negative, you also positive. Okay class, so by this rule we can subtract or add two integers. Example, -4 and +2. I want to solve this. So class, here there are two integers, first -4 and second +2. Okay class, then first number is negative and second is positive. So where first number is negative, second is positive, so what you do? You have to subtract. So now if you subtract 4 and 2, you get 2. Okay class, but integers always with sign. So 2 is negative or positive, decide. So in order to get it is positive or negative, first you check whether 4 and 2 both are greater. Which one is greater? So here 4 is greater than 2. Since 4 is greater than 2, then you put sign of greater number, which is minus. So your answer is -2. Class, second example I am taking -3, -2. Here there are two integers, first negative, second is also negative. So we have two integers, both are negative. If you have both numbers are negative, resultant is positive, minus plus. So it means you have to add. So if you add 3 and 2, you get 5. Now class, sign. So let's check which one is greater. 3 is greater than 2, then the sign of the bigger number, which is minus. So answer is -5. Class, third example I am taking 2 minus 4. So what is the answer? You have two integers, first positive and second negative. First integer is +2 and second is -4. First plus, second negative. Plus minus, you get minus. So you subtract this, 4 and 2 you subtract. then you get 2. And class, sign 4 is greater, then you put the sign of greater. Fourth, actually this and this both are same thing. Okay class, now look here, 3 plus 5. Here there are two integers, first positive and second is also positive. Then both are positive. If you get both numbers are positive, you add two numbers. So if you add 5 plus 3, you get 8. Now class, sign, so 5 is greater, then you put positive sign. Plus 8 and minus plus 8, it is equal to also 8. Both are same thing. And class, now take more examples for the subtracting and adding. Class, for example, it is 4 minus 8. What is the answer? So first number is positive, second is negative. So for first number is positive, second is negative, you have to subtract. So if you subtract both number, you get 4. And now put the sign. So which one is greater, 8 or 4? 8 is greater. Then we put sign of greater number, which is minus 4. Class, I am taking last example. Example for here, it is minus 3 minus 10. If you solve this, so we get two numbers and both are negative. First is minus 3, second minus 10. Since both numbers are negative, we add the numbers. So 10 and 3 you add, then you get 13. Now class, sign, so greater number is 10, which is minus. Do you put the sign of greater number, which is minus 3 answer. Then class, by this method you can subtract or add two integers. Namaste.